Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best nasal spray pump is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked devices in modern personal care, offering a precise and convenient way to deliver medication or relief directly where it's needed most. Whether you're dealing with allergies, congestion, or other nasal conditions, the right nasal spray pump can make a significant difference in your daily comfort and well-being, ensuring efficient absorption and targeted treatment without waste. Number 5. Navage Starter Bundle, Complete Sinus Care Kit. Tired of sinus congestion? Discover the Navage Starter Bundle, your all-in-one solution for complete sinus care. It's designed to provide relief and improve your breathing. This powered nasal irrigation system makes clearing your sinuses simple and effective. Experience a new level of clean with its advanced technology. Our system comes with 30 pre-measured salt pods, ensuring clinically proven benefits with every use. Get the relief you need, exactly when you need it. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to clear airways. This kit is specifically designed for effective congestion relief, helping you breathe easier. The Navage Starter Bundle is more than just a cleaner, it's a complete sinus care kit. Invest in your well-being and enjoy the benefits of clear sinuses. What we like? This is a comprehensive nasal irrigation system. It comes with everything you need to get started, including pre-measured salt pods for convenience. If you're looking for a complete, clinically proven solution for sinus care, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The spray pump is easy to use and dispenses a fine mist. It has a good design that fits comfortably in the hand. The pump mechanism is smooth and provides consistent dosage. Number 4. Afrin No Drip Extra Moisturizing Nasal Mist Twin Pack. Experience fast relief from sinus pressure and dry nasal passages. This extra moisturizing mist provides soothing comfort when you need it most. Don't let congestion slow you down. Our powerful formula works quickly to open up your airways, allowing you to breathe easier. Say goodbye to dryness and irritation. This nasal mist is specially formulated to add moisture, keeping your nasal passages comfortable. Get the relief you need without the drowsiness. You can use it anytime, day or night, and continue with your daily activities. This convenient twin pack ensures you always have relief on hand. It's perfect for adults and children aged 6 and older. Choose the trusted name in nasal care. Enjoy lasting comfort and effective decongestion with this easy-to-use nasal mist. What we like? Experience fast-acting decongestion with a moisturizing mist. This option is non-drowsy, making it suitable for daytime use. If you suffer from sinus pressure and dry nasal passages, and need quick, comfortable relief without drowsiness, this twin pack is ideal. What people say. The spray pump is easy to use and dispenses a fine mist. It is made of durable plastic and feels sturdy. The design is sleek and fits comfortably in the hand. Number 3. Amber Glass 1-ounce Nasal Sprayer, 2-pack. Introducing our high-quality Amber Glass Nasal Sprayer, perfect for your saline and essential oil needs. This empty, refillable bottle is designed for your convenience. Its travel-sized design makes it ideal for on-the-go use. Keep a solution at work, in your purse, or at the gym. Crafted from quality amber glass, it protects your contents from UV light, ensuring a longer shelf life for your solutions. Each bottle comes with a convenient nasal spray pump, ready for your custom formulations, including essential oils. Use it for saline solutions, colloidal silver, or your own unique blends. It's the perfect empty container for various nasal applications. This offer includes 2 bottles, providing excellent value and ensuring you always have a supply ready when you need it. What we like? This is an empty, refillable glass nasal sprayer. The amber glass protects your solutions from UV light, ensuring longevity. If you prefer to create your own custom nasal sprays with essential oils or saline, and need a durable, travel-friendly option, this 2-pack is perfect for you. What people say. The pump mechanism is smooth and dispenses a fine mist. Easy to use with one hand, perfect for on-the-go application. The bottle is made of durable material and doesn't leak. Number 2. Major Maximum Strength Nasal Decongestant Spray. Experience powerful relief from nasal congestion. This spray works quickly to help you breathe easier. Enjoy up to 12 hours of clear breathing without any drowsiness. It's perfect for staying active throughout your day. Our no-drip formula ensures a comfortable application every time. You get targeted relief right where you need it. Whether it's a cold or allergies, this nasal spray provides effective relief. It tackles common irritants that cause congestion. This nasal decongestant is suitable for both adults and children aged 6 and up. Get relief for the whole family. This convenient 3-pack ensures you have a supply of relief when you need it most. Keep one at home, one in your bag, and one at work. What we like? Get powerful, long-lasting relief from nasal congestion. This spray offers 12-hour effectiveness with a no-drip formula. If you need maximum strength decongestion for colds or allergies and want relief that lasts throughout the day without mess, this 3-pack is a great value. What people say. The spray pump delivers a fine mist, ensuring even distribution of the nasal medication. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and operate with one hand. The pump mechanism is smooth and provides consistent dosage with each press. Number 1. Major Maximum Strength Nasal Decongestant Spray. Experience powerful relief from nasal congestion. This spray works quickly to help you breathe easier. Enjoy up to 12 hours of clear nasal passages. It provides long-lasting comfort from colds and allergy symptoms. Stay alert and active throughout your day. This non-drowsy formula won't slow you down. The no-drip mist ensures a clean and targeted application. Get relief right where you need it without mess. This nasal decongestant is suitable for the whole family, including children aged 6 and up. It's effective for common colds and allergy sufferers. Stock up and save with this convenient 12-pack. You'll have plenty of relief on hand whenever you need it. What we like? This offers maximum strength nasal decongestion with 12-hour relief. It's a no-drip formula designed for adults and kids. If you frequently deal with nasal congestion due to colds or allergies and want to stock up on an effective, long-lasting solution, this 12-pack provides excellent convenience and value. What people say. The spray pump is easy to use and dispenses a fine mist. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. It provides a consistent and accurate dosage with each spray. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.